Scenes and animations can be timed to automatically turn on or off. To do this, select the function Timer in the More tab. It is the one right on top. Select Add a Timer, and now select a scene to be controlled by your timer. I choose my scene Relax here. This scene should start every workday of the week at 7 p.m. and turn off automatically at 11 p.m. I go to Switches On, deselect Sunday and Saturday, and choose 7 p.m. Confirm with Done as always. Do the same for the time to switch off. Instead of choosing days of the week, one could also select certain dates. This would be particularly useful as a kind of burglary protection when you are on a vacation. And you can also make your timer dependent on sunrise or sunset instead of a certain time. When you are finished, don't forget to confirm with Done and Done again.